In this video, we're going to show you how you can customize a Instagram highlight cover using a Canva template. These are the Canva templates that we've created. I'm going to go ahead and click customize this template. Okay, so now I can see all of the options here. So you want to think about what you might want to showcase in your highlights, things like testimonials, before and afters, transformations, information about your services are really helpful. And it's a little bit more of a visual impact that you're trying to go for. So if you like the circles, what you can do is you can keep it, select the element of the circle. You can always change your color to maybe one of your brand colors, for example. You can also alter the elements that are here. So this is actually one of our Canva creator elements that we love. We think it's adorable. So this might be a great representation of like favorite reads. If you're an author, blogger, writer, you could also go ahead and replace that. I just clicked on the button that says replace. Or you can simply delete, hit the plus sign, go to elements, and maybe you want to showcase something that is a little bit better for, say, testimonials, for example. So you could use something like this. Kind of mess around with the sizing. Again, you can change like the colors. And that's it. Again, we don't recommend adding wording here, although at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see some additional options here where you can add things like text, uploaded elements. If you are going to make it text heavy, we would say, pick something that's really easy to see, that's large, and of course, make it really legible. So that way it's either words in the circle, or once you get to Instagram, you can keep it just the image element and write words right within Instagram beneath it. So you can see right here how we finalize the look of ours. They are more graphic or image heavy with words like the word freebies, promo, membership, all actually typed in right on Instagram. So we hope this is helpful, and we will see you soon.